So here I have a receiver out of a crashed plane. It's not upgraded to AS3X Plus yet. So you need to download the latest version of the Spektrum Programmer software and have a programming cable. I plugged mine into a powered USB port. So you plug it into the programming slot on the receiver. Make sure you get the orientation correct. Okay. Then in the programmer, you hit powered cable and use computer settings. Okay, and then go to software updates. And you can see it's 2.46 version of the firmware on the receiver currently. Check for updates. I'm going to call this one T7A because that's where it's going to end up, I think. Register the device. And now you can install software. I'm going to install the 2.48.0 first. Say OK. Use computer settings. I'm not sure why it's doing that again. Install another version. I'm going to go from the conversion firmware v2.xx to v3.xx and install that one. That was successfully updated. It says online update version 3.1.3 is available. That's the one we want. Now this receiver is updated with the latest AS3X Plus. As of 9/20/24, that is the most current. And then just disconnect the receiver and you're ready to put it into a plane and program it.